Hello, I'm Haider Malik, host of the Mehmi Financial Group podcast. Today's topic is fleet trucks and excavators, sale-leaseback solutions for Winnipeg contractors. If you own late model dump trucks, tandem axles, or excavators outright, a sale-leaseback can unlock equity without downtime, turning parked value into cash for growth, equipment upgrades, or covering operating costs. Here's how to implement this strategy in the Winnipeg market. 1. How sale leasebacks work. Upfront cash. You sell an asset to a finance company at fair market value, typically receiving 70 to 90% of that value in cash. Leaseback. Immediately lease the same asset under an operating lease, paying fixed rentals and retaining full use. Continuity. Your crews keep the same trucks and machines on site. No transport, rebrand, or operational delays. 2. Why Winnipeg contractors benefit. Capital for growth. Deploy proceeds into new attachments, GPS, ELD systems, or bid bonds for sewer and road rebuild projects. Preserve working capital. Avoid tapping lines of credit. Lease payments become deductible operating expenses. Balance sheet relief. Operating leases may remain off balance under IFRS as PE, improving debt ratios and borrowing capacity. 3. Ideal asset candidates. Late model units. Trucks and excavators under 8 years old with 1,500 plus hours, showing strong residual demand in Manitoba. High utilization fleet. Machines logging consistent workloads on municipal infrastructure and residential developments. 4. Structuring your sale leaseback. 1. Valuation. Obtain independent appraisals or use recent Winnipeg auction data to set market value. 2. Advance rate. Negotiate 75 to 85% of appraised value as upfront cash. The balance covers lessor's residual risk. 3. Lease terms. Typical terms run 36 to 60 months. Align payments and frequency, monthly or seasonal, with your cash flows. 4. Service options. Choose between self-maintenance, lower rent, or bundled full-service leases. Higher rent but predictable costs. 5. Cost and tax considerations. Rental rates. Expressed as a money factor, e.g., 0.25 or APR equivalent 5.8%, compared against your cost of capital. Fees. Watch for origination, documentation, and end-of-term disposition charges. Negotiate caps on wear and tear fees. Tax treatment. Lease rentals are fully deductible. Confirm with your accountant how to classify under local regulations. 6. Best practices. Maintain records. Detailed service logs and usage reports support higher appraisals and smoother transactions. Standardize fleet. Consistent makes and models simplify valuation and remarketing, boosting your advance rate. Plan end-of-term options. Agree upfront on buyout pricing or renewal terms to avoid surprises. Chapter 7. 3 action steps. Inventory and appraise. List 3 to 5 key trucks or excavators and secure preliminary valuations. 2. Solicit bids. Request proposals from at least 3 providers, banks, credit unions, and independent lessors for advance rates, money factors, and fee schedules. 3. Deploy and track. Use proceeds strategically for new equipment, technology, or working capital, and monitor lease performance quarterly. A sale-leaseback transforms idle equity in your Winnipeg fleet into active capital, fueling growth, preserving cash, and keeping your trucks and excavators rolling without interruption. I'm Haider Malik. Thanks for listening.